Oh, where's that? Oh, here it is.
Streams and other low-lying cities, Lancaster and York. When? Until 11:15 p.m. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 8:44 p.m. Local law enforcement reported flooding in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, York, Columbia, Millersville, Willow Street, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, East York, Stony Brook,
Whoa!
Paradise, Salem-Landisville, Shrewsbury,
supporting weight loss goal back
Mountville, Marietta, and Stewartstown.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Lancaster and York, effective until 11:44 p.m. Flood warning in effect until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
On the country, look.
Town, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire.
Flash flood warning for central Lancaster and southeastern York counties has been
Tyler
released.
Run, Queens Gate, Valley View, Strasburg, Mountville, Marietta, and Stewart.
Okay.
8:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Local law enforcement reported flooding in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts.
I'm able. Martial arts, and I'm able.
President.
Lancaster, York, Columbia, Millersville, Willow Street, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire.
Where?
Strasburg, Marietta, and Stewartstown. http www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.